think we're live. All right. Hello, everyone. And today it's gonna be just a sim. How do I call this? A simple or just relax, I guess. Relax session. I'm gonna be. I had some free time from all the work that I do, and I was thinking that should just stream. So I wanna implement a few things in Tabttoo. If you guys don't know what Tabttoo is, you should check it out. I can share you the link. Let me see. How can I share this thingy? I don't even know. The stream is excellent. It says share. Here we go. Copy. Let me share it to the Discord channel so people can get here. And yeah. Hello, Marcus. I've been pretty damn busy with work. Pretty busy. So all right, so let me share my screen. I'm gonna hide the Discord channel. This is some of the tasks that I want to do today, or the bigger tasks. So just to clarify, today is not a tutorial. It's just me going through this. Just if you're interested in how I would make this kind of coding thing work. But it's not a tutorial. It's not. Hopefully you're listening to me. Marcus, can you hear me? Not sure if people can hear me. Oh yeah, it's fine. Okay, so it's not a tutorial. It's just me coding the Tabttoo tool and adding some new features because there's some things that I don't want in the tool anymore. I need to fix it, specifically model search, model view to the search, which I have in a way, but in some parts actually, in one of the other parts is already using that, so I want to do it for the main part of the search, so it's gonna be faster, hopefully, but I think it's gonna lose a few things. Okay, so the first thing I notice is that the Bex part of this is broken, which is the part that has the model view search of the model view, it's called in Python. So as actually, let me open Houdini. I should have Houdini. Hopefully this doesn't crash on me. If it crashes the computer, I'm gonna have to restart, and the stream is gonna be gone basically. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't crash on me, because there's a weird bug sometimes that I'm getting. Okay, there it is. Houdini is back. Okay, seems like we're fine. So I'm just gonna have Houdini here open. I can make this bigger just so you guys can see the interface a little bit better. So yeah, let me make this bigger. This is how I do this whenever I'm streaming, because I'm on a 4K monitor, so you might not be able to see the little font. Hey Adrian. Hey Christian. Hey Christian. Yeah, Patreon is gone basically. We're not gonna be doing those courses anymore. There's many reasons why. I'm gonna make a video why, but yeah, the Patreon is just gone. It's fine. Stop your support if you need to. It's fine. Yes, I'm using PyCharm. I use PyCharm a lot. I love PyCharm. Hey Carly, by the way. So this is Houdini. I'm not gonna do anything in Houdini basically. I'm just gonna use it to test Tabttoo, but I'm not gonna use Houdini for creating anything today. So I just added this version thingy so I know which version I'm working on. This is just debug thingy. It's not a feature of Tabttoo. I think that's big enough for you guys, right? I still can make it bigger. I'm not. If you don't know, guys, you don't know, Tabttoo can be made way bigger. I'm gonna leave it in this size so you guys can see it. And also, if you guys don't know what Tabttoo is, let me just show you what it is. Alright, so Tabttoo is this tool that I make. We made at Mix Training. It's not free. There is no source code for it, and I even mention it here. This product does not include the source code because some people want to have the source code, but it's not included. Sorry. So it's a tool to create nodes, just like the tab tool in Houdini. But this has a few more features. Works everywhere in Houdini that the tab tool works. Has these really nice, beautiful icons that are the Houdini icons, but they are just. It's just a crime that they are so small here. It's just like, why? Why are they so small? And I have this interface big right now, so I can kind of see it. But the icons are SVG, all of them, and they are beautiful. So that's why I did it first. But it's kind of like a power tool. It doesn't replace tab completely. You can still use tab. You can actually click here to show the tab menu, or you can press tab twice. No, that doesn't. You can press there, and you can show tab from here as well. So the tab menu. But what I'm trying to fix today, we are right now publicly we are on version 18 or 0.18. I'm working on 19, but the features I want to develop for this are gonna be released for version 20. So that's why the stream is called version 20 for version 20. I have some text there at the top, right? That I should really Topic. The topic is not just that. It's just coding tab to Python. Yay! Okay. So yeah, that's basically what's happening there. Adrian, yeah, I'm totally looking forward to Unreal version 2, Unreal Engine. I actually talked to the developer like 2 days ago, and there's some cool stuff coming. Christian, yes, I mislearned this as well. Believe it or not, I really miss it a lot, but I've been so busy. All right, so let's start coding because I have a bunch of tasks that I need to do. I mean, I need to do it. So the first thing is that I want to use this model view thing, which is part of Python, or not Python, but PySide, which is basically a more efficient way to populate widgets. The way I'm doing it here is the bad way, although it's pretty fast. Still, it's not great. You can see it there. You can see there is still a little bit, slow. I think the tab menu is it's way faster because it's written in C++. Mine is written in Python, and I'm doing a lot of hacks. But I'm hoping that it gets faster with the change it to the model view, which I just found out that it doesn't work because it doesn't work where it should work. In the Bex mode, you should type this character and then start looking for Bex functions. But seems there is this file change places or something in Houdini, which is the file I load. So that file is missing. So let's fix that first so we can get this stuff working. So let's go to that. What is it? OPT. Houdini 18. Houdini. I don't have anything that I shouldn't be showing right now, so it's fine. Houdini help. Should be a Bex help file here. Bex. Oh, it's not a folder anymore, I guess. Let's see where it was in our code. This is how how you work when you're developing stuff. I'm gonna make the text a little bit bigger. I mean, I'm not sure if you're ever gonna be reading this. Or I mean, it's not for you to read, I guess. 'Cause I'm not showing you how to code this. I'm just coding it myself. So here it is. So I'm trying to get to this path, but seems like it doesn't exist anymore. Also, some of these things I did a long time ago, and I don't even know some things that are here. I mean, some things might be broken. Currently, I'm using Pop OS, and yes, Houdini is better on Linux. Everything's better on Linux. And I'm not kidding. Everything is better on Linux. So yeah, this is what I'm using, Pop OS. It's pretty cool. I like it. I don't think I'm gonna be changing distributions anytime soon. Okay, so I'm finding this thing, and then I'm finding a file there. What the hell? Let's see what was happening in previous versions of Houdini. I should have a previous version here, 17.5. Houdini help. Bex help. That was the file that I'm missing. So yes, this file is where I get all my functions and all the description of the functions. And seems like a bunch of crash files here open. Let me just close all this. Close all this stuff. Don't save. Close that. Close that. And close that. Okay. So this file I'm missing. Let's see what happened in Houdini 18. Houdini help. There's no longer a Bex help file. Is it inside this thing? It isn't. Where the hell did they move that? And why did they move it? Okay, let's try to find that. Doesn't exist anymore. Crap. What the hell were we doing? Oh man. Why did you do this? Side effects. Why? Why did they move that? Bex help. Can you hear my dogs? Yeah, they're barking. Let's see. Bex. Where is this thing now? Houdini. Why did they move that file or change that file? Deleted that file for some weird reason. Because there's the expression help is there. I think this is a bug actually. It shouldn't be missing. Let's see if there are. Let's find out in some of the older versions of this thing. Let's see. Help. Bex. No, it's not there. I think it's deleted in the Houdini 18 versions. And this should be a bug. I'm not sure if they use it somewhere. You should be using it somewhere. And now I don't know where it is. 'Cause the expression help is still there. That's weird. What can I do? I guess I could copy this old file. Include it in Tabttoo and just use that. Let's do that for now because I don't even know what's gonna happen with that file. I should ask side effects to see what the issue is there. You guys can still ask any questions you want. Yeah, I mean, again, as I said, I'm not gonna do any Houdini stuff. Basically, just programming this thing. I'm gonna put it in my resources folder, which is part of Tabttoo. But now I'm gonna have to change this. So let me put a bookmark there, and let me find where resources. This is want me to add that file to the Git project. Yep, add it. So okay, I have this path to resources. Go back to my. I don't want that bookmark. No. Delete my other bookmarks, my old bookmarks. This project has become so big. I wouldn't imagine how big it would be. So let's just copy this. So now I'm gonna make Bex help. Sorry. Point to that place to that file that I just added, which it doesn't, it's not called that, it's just called, sorry again, it's called Bex help, which it's not ideal because if Houdini, it's the statement seems to have no effect. Oh, come on, dude, what are you talking about? Houdini could be updates any of functions. I'm gonna be missing those functions, but I guess for right now, you're gonna have to roll with it. So let's see, should read now. Yeah, there we go. So now we have all the Bex functions, and this is the search that I'm talking about. This actually, I have an icon here. Oh God, you want to delete? No, cancel. I don't. Oh, that's good. Okay, that's nice. So this, you can say this is pretty fast. It should be pretty fast. Endpoint, you can see it just filters instantly, and this is what I want for my main search. And also this should show the help if I have the help panel, which is also buggy. There we go, it is there right now, and the font is weird. Yeah, the font is bad. Should change the font of that, but at least it kind of works, and it does not updating when I do this, going down and up with the cursor. So that's another bug. Should put it on my notes. And the bug is help panel not updating when using arrow keys. And the other thing is help panel for font. Hey, panel font, because Houdini changed the font in Houdini 18, so that font is different. So yeah. Alright, so seems like nobody liked my stream, right? Are you guys so serious or what? Well, I mean, I had to do this. I have to do it, and I said, well, I haven't streamed in a while, so I'm gonna connect with my friends, stream for a while, and but if it's okay, if you guys don't like it, I'm still gonna do this. I mean, yeah. So there you go. You can see now the freaking help just broke tab 2 for some reason. I don't know why that happens. It's just broken now. You can see it's not showing for some reason. It shows behind. I don't know. Not sure what's happening. Seems like I opened a few windows. There we are, you can see. So that's not working. I should fix that. But you can see it does show the help, and it's reading that really quickly from that file. It's just doing that really quickly. But again, it doesn't update when I do this, so that's a bug which I should fix. It should update when I start searching, which it does. You can see. And points tells you the help of the function and how to use it, which is useful. But I'm gonna hide that for now because that's a bug for another day, I guess. So there's my debug message that I put here, which I don't need right now. I need to implement this thing for my other searching function, which is just it's basically just simple widgets. It's not a model, and I need a model. So I'm doing a proxy model for this. Let's see what I'm doing here. Proxy model. Dynamic sort filter, yes, and I set the proxy model to the model, which I don't even know. It's this one, okay. I should really rename this. This is meaningless, really, for anyone. Doesn't mean anything. Ah, man, that's horrible. Horrible naming. Horrible naming, but I guess I'm gonna leave it as that for now. I'm gonna put a note here. Guess I could put a to do rename models. I could just try to refactor it. Let's see if it works. Rename variable to, let's call this specs model. Refactor. Let's see if it's see if it does work. Do refactor. It refactor that. Let's see. That it worked. Okay, it worked. Fine. Points, and this doesn't have. This is another thing with my other search. This doesn't. It's not being slowed down when I delete, and this, just the regular search does. It has a weird bug when you delete. Did you work on this by yourself, or did you get some help from other people? I did it all by myself. I'm doing it all myself, dude. No help from anyone, really. And this proxy model I'm gonna rename as well, because this proxy model is the model for the Bex part, so I'm gonna do it, refactor it as well. I'm gonna put it, name it Bex proxy model. Do that. It should work as well. Let's see, is this working? It seems like it's working. And prims and primitives, there we go. Okay, it's working. So now I just did that task. I don't need to do it again, but I'm still gonna put a comment here. Bex search model view. And I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna do the same for the, let's do it down here. Let's see what I'm doing here. I'm sitting. Oh, wait. This is not how I want to do this. How long did it take you to make this? Oh, well, I've been doing it for a while, man. When did I release the first version of this? I don't know. I can look at the history on the Git repository. Let's see, 8-bucket dashboard. Let's see. Let me find. So this is my repository, which when was the first release of this tags? I have version 4 here. Is the oldest I have here, and that was in what? 2018 seems like. H side should be here. Yeah, it is here. This is tab 2. 2018 it says. Like 2 years ago. Pre-release version 1. I should even have the release file here. I have the release file. I know I have the release file here. You can see this is the project, and I have the release versions here. Let's see when this is the pre-release. This was released in April 2019. It says 24th of April, 24th. No, that was accessed April 2018. Sorry. So yeah, it's 2 years now, I guess. Not sure when I started doing it, because that's the release date. Yeah, I started doing it before that, of course. So it's been wow, it's been 2 years. That's a nice landmark, and I'm doing right now version 20, which kind of is kind of version 2 in a way, which I'm in my mind that's kind of what it is. Okay, so this thing I actually just screwed up because I'm using the same proxy model for this results view, results list view. Is this another view? I think this is another view. Cause this, yeah, I'm creating it here. Okay, no, and then I'm correct now, but I should rename this one. Cause this is the results view. Yeah, I name it view because it's the model view. The other one is just called results view, if I remember correctly. Results list. No, yeah, that's the other one. The result list. Is it? And yeah, this result list is this result. Is this list here? This list at the bottom here. We can even make sure, just if we, let's say we don't, results list should be adding this somewhere at widget self.results list here. So I'm adding it here. If I disable that, should it be, oh, that's the history view. Oh, wait, that is working. That's weird. Results list, results list view. Oh, now I'm confused. Results list view, results list. I'm pretty sure this is the list that we are. What if I don't add the shadow? Let's say. Damn it, that's weird. Let me hide the history pane. Is that making it? Results list view. Copy. Find this. Okay, so I'm getting familiar with my code again. So this is why when you code, people tell you add comments to your code and make it nicely tight and organized, because you will go back to it and you are not gonna be able to know what the hell is happening. And yeah, it happens, especially if your project is big. So when the projects get big, yeah, that stuff comes and bites you in the ass. So let's see, what am I looking for oh, I should turn on debugging as well. It seems like I'm not using results view, results list, and I'm changing it to results view. Man, I've done so much changes to this thing. Yeah, you can see the code is big. This is already 4,000 lines of code. Woo! Super cool. There's some weird fixes I had to do for Macs. Anyway. Oh yeah, well I'm using PySide, so all the classes start with Q because they are Qt classes. I did not use any Qt designer for this at all. I did it all by hand. You can see the elements here. The widgets are created here by hand. No, I didn't use any. It's not built with designer at all. I have done that for other tools like this one. This tool I did it in designer and then just populated here, but for this one, no, I just did it all here in the codes, and it's actually built every time you click the button because it's very simple. I mean, I didn't needed any designer, Qt designer. I didn't use I didn't need Qt designer for this because it's very simple. But now you can see right now I don't even know what the freaking hell I'm doing. I'm going to unrename those things. Let's see, where's my... Okay, I'm done with that. Now I want the proxy thingy, which seems like it's not just for... Seems like it's not just for Bex. I'm using it for more than that. Seems like. Let me find this. Let me see where I'm searching files. Search Bex. When I'm using search Bex, yes, I'm populating that one, setting the model to that one, which is good. Where there's curly braces here, should be lowercase. Whatever, pip. Whatever, pip 8. I don't care. There's a search function. Search node, something like that. Do search. Here it is. Do search. So this is where the search happens. We search the stuff. We collect the nodes. We order the nodes. There's a lot of stuff happening here. I mean, I get nothing for free in Houdini. It's not like I take the result of this list and pass it to this one. It's not at all like that. This is all built by me. There's no backend on Houdini that gives me all that list. I had to build it my own. I have to build in my own fuzzy search and all that stuff. Order the nodes and all those things. So I do all that stuff. I append all the found tools, combine the tools, weight the results, yes, put it in a dictionary, and then I add it to a model. What? Am I already using the model view? What? No. No, I'm not. Am I? Resize list results. don't think I am, because I've been thinking about doing that for a long time. What if I'm not using it in any of these things? Seems to me like I'm doing something different here. Okay, so let's see. Add to model. What am I doing in the add to model? Bex model clear. Wait, what was that? Navigate back. What is that shortcut? Never works for me. Alt shift left. Alt shift left. Add to model. What am I? Why am I adding that to model there? Bex mode. Yeah, this is how the life of a programmer is. Node label, iterate on that, create an item. Okay, no. Yeah, I'm not using the model, right? No, I am. But this is for Bex. This is doing it for Bex right now. Let's see, I'm gonna put a debugging thing here. Add to model. Let's see if this is running when I'm searching here. Geo. No, it's not. Yeah, okay, so I'm good there. Poly. Okay, so this is not running there. Oh wait, there it is. Damn it. Wait, this is running after? What's happening? Say poly bevel. It does run bunch of times actually. Why the hell? Why the hell is that running? This functions here, yeah, it's the structure tab here. It's here at the very, what is it, left, bottom left, the structure tab there, or should be here in the view structure. This is the structure. I don't like to since I'm not changing files here, I'm just working on one file. I hide this files one, I just hide it, and I just have the structure one, which is what I like to have here. Debug, I should turn on debug. True. Not the screen size, I'm gonna do that. So yeah, it's pretty good to have all your functions here because you can just find your functions here pretty quickly, Felipe. That's something I use a lot. I just, especially with these files that are big, you can see there's a bunch of functions here, or methods as Python calls them. So now I'm confused here. Add to model. Here we were. The Bex model. What is the Bex model? It's a Q standard item, so this is not a model, and this should not be called. Oh, it is a Q standard item model. Why am I thinking I haven't done this? QList widget, and this is a QTable view, which is good. That is what I want. That is exactly what I want. Did I already do this? Or did my clone did it? I don't know. Where's my do search? Let's just, you can also order these functions by name or by order on the document. Sometimes you can where is it? Here. You can say you can order alphabetically, and it's gonna order the functions in alphabetically or in the order or the file. Sometimes when you know what function you are looking for, it's useful to have it in alphabetically, because see, I'm looking for do search and it's part of the D's, right? Oh, thank you, Felipe. I'm glad you're enjoying this. And if you see any bugs there, let me know, because this is driving me nuts. I'm not sure why this thing is doing what it shouldn't be doing. Oh man, come on. So da, 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 da. Do search, show results. It is using the result view to show the results. Why? When did I do this? And why is it not as fast as I think it was gonna get? So I'm gonna refactor this back, because that is model to refactor, and this proxy model should be called what it is. So I was right the first time. But this should still work. Poly, yeah, searching, and so there's something that I did for this Bex Bex function list that I didn't do in the other one. Let me put this another bug here. This is the results list not scaling correctly. Need to fix that as well, because it's not scaling completely when you search. Not sure why. Again, you can see if I say poly, that is scaling correct, but when there's a few options, well, I guess poly extra is not the best one to search. Like test, because you can see in this case there is still enough space below to fit more of this. Oh, there's a Lewis test, the Lewis test geometry. There's more space here to fit more tools here. Shouldn't be this size, so somewhere it's just not scaling correctly. Geometry, you can see in this case as well, you can see you have like what, 5 tools, 6, 7 tools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tools. This should totally scale. There's not enough space to show that. I like this feature here that if I start searching really low, it just brings this up. It's useful when you have kind of this panel, small panel. So just before it just, if there's enough space, it puts it just above the cursor. If there's not enough space, it just moves it up a little bit. As you can see, that's for you to have some space to look for stuff, which I like that. So that's another bug, but my main bug is this result view thing that I already just kill my code here. I'm doing something, I don't know what I'm doing here, pressing enter with something. So seems like, let's see, if I don't create this results view. Seems like I'm already, so I'm not using that one. Seems like that's the old one, I guess. Oh wait, I am creating it still. That's not created. Alright, there we go. It is used somewhere. Let's see, where is it used? Line 492. It might be just 492, an old reference to something. 492 here, okay. Result list shadow. Maybe this is not needed anymore. Let's just do it again. Okay, now it is in what? 534. 534 here. So we shouldn't be adding this anymore, I guess. I'm not sure. Okay, it's gone. So that is not being used. Let's see. The history panel still works. Yep. This panel still works. Poly still works. I search a lot for poly. I don't know why. There's a lot of poly tools, so I like to test that. There's I just love those tools, those little icons. Let's quick. See, these icons are just great. Look at that. It's just beautiful. You can see in this case as well. You can see this is not scaling correctly. It should show all these 4 tools. So that's a bug. Rodesco, I guess. Hey, thank you. I'm glad that you're learning from my tutorials, man. Awesome. That's amazing. Congrats on picking up Houdini again. Don't quit. Don't quit, dude. Alright, so we're not using the freaking results view list, which I guess it wasn't being. I guess we could delete it. So let's do that now that I already have this I already have this version on Git, so there's no reason to not delete all this stuff. Settings button. I'm not sure what this settings button is because I have a settings button. I'm gonna delete this button. What is happening? Let's see, something is consuming a lot of computer resources. It's OBS, I guess. I guess that's gonna be what it is. Okay, so this result list is not needed anymore. Yep. So it seems like I already did this. Oh my god. Let's just check if I'm actually right. Results view in the do search function. We add to the model. We add to the model here. I'm not sure. Set model clear. We clear it, so there's no more stuff on it. Let's just make sure. If I don't clear it, it should be tools being piled up, right? So there's poly, and then geo. No, it is working. Poly, material. Nah. Not sure why that's not working. It must be clearing it somewhere else. Let's print how many tools we have on that. Print. Oh, I wanted to do Python 3 here, but we are not in Python 3 land. Lang of tools dictionary. I'm not sure if it's this version of PyCharm. I just updated this for the 2020 version, but it feels a little slow. What did it say there at the bottom? Feels kind of slow to drive to develop. Okay. All right, dude. Material. How many tools do we have there? 48, then 42, then 15, then 8. Okay. Now Python's pretty easy. Python is one of the simplest languages to learn. I need to go get some more water. Yeah, Python's pretty simple, man. Shit. It's pretty simple to pick up. Alright, so that's working. Let's just add this to the debugging text there that we have. Self that that thing is called label, tool label, path. What are you called, dude? Let's find it. It's called category label. That's the category label. So here, just gonna self that category label. We're gonna add to this the length of the tools. Let's add some space. Yeah, this thing is really slow. I'm not sure if it's because I'm streaming or what, but it feels really slow. I don't know why. Tools dictionary. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Nope. It's an int. I can't. Should make this a string. Didn't work. Unsupported thing with QLabel and string. Okay. How am I setting it in the other place? I have to say set text because it's a freaking label. Excuse my language, it's a freaking table. I mean, it's a freaking label. Set text. Can I do that? No, because this is a function. I need to call it like this. I need to get the text and then join them, or I can just get it here. Health that category label get text. I think it's just text, not get text. Text. Man, this is slow. Plus that thing. Hey Alfredo. What is 50 píxeles? ¿Qué es? ¿Es un estudio? Alright, so I have this. Something is wrong here. It's telling me that that I'm missing a parenthesis here. Yeah. You know what? Let me close Tabttoo. I mean this Python thing because it I don't know why it's so freaking slow. I'll reopen it. Hopefully it gets better. Okay, no. Has no object set text. What? What? Oh, set text. I was thinking I think I was thinking in C++, I guess, set text or some other Python library. Poly. It's not adding the freaking text, or maybe it's, yeah, I know what it is. It's too much space. Maybe too much space here. Just add one space there. Well, it's not adding it. Weird. Not even sure if this is working. It's printing it there. Wally, why are you not working? It works. You can see there it is. It is working there. I'm not sure why it's not. I guess this is before. Okay, let me just. Whoa! Oh, still pressing enter again. Get my mouse too close to the keyboard and start pressing things. Stay there. I need to set this before because it's setting it at the very end, setting it over here. So this is what it's setting it, I guess. Before, after. I should have a reference to self.found tools. Yes, found tools. Print the length of that. Let's do there. Okay, it is showing me that, so could just use found tools here instead of that other thing. I'm just trying to add like a debug message here. It's not anything useful, and it's not gonna stay on the tool, but just adding it for reference right now. Gonna disable these two things, and it says that I'm missing a parentheses there, or not. Did I? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's there's a space missing there. Space. Just put some things there. Have 0 tools. Let's say test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it is working. Quick. It's 5 tools. I just see 4. What the hell? 2, 3, 4. Huh, it's not working. Material. Let's just get rid of the other one. This one. Okay, so this is not useful. Estuve estudiando un poco en Patreon Bex en español. Oh, okay. That's cool, Alfredo. That's great. It's pretty good. You don't have to study all the attributes. I mean, you don't have to learn them all. It's not gonna be a test. There's not gonna be a test that it says, how many attributes do you know? Just learn what you need. You don't have to know everything. I don't know everything. Nobody knows everything. Nobody. I mean, nobody knows everything in Houdini. Nobody. There's no way. Right, so I combine the tools. I hate this freaking pip 8 thing. Hate it. Okay. It's already 4:25. I haven't solved one thing. This is depressing. Haven't solved one thing. Let's see if we can. Oh, actually, we solved this one. Yay, we solved one. There's a few nodes that are missing. This one should be simple to do. The big one is this model view thing that I wanted to do, and I'm not sure if that is happening. Let's see. Let's take a look at this again. We find the tools, we concatenate the tools, we add the tools, we sort the tools. What is that? It seems like PyCharm's a little bit faster now. We have some stuff for shading, result tools, the tools dictionary. I add them to the model, resize the damn thing. Make year work. I don't even know what this is to do about. What is that about? I don't know. Add to model. Let's see. Add to model. Yeah, I added to a model, so I'm adding to the freaking model. Now, this is good. Wait. So this is the Q standard item. Q standard item is not what I should be using here. This is what I need to change. Appending to the model. Standard item model. Let me make a bookmark here and go to the back search part. Where are you, back search? search specs, here it is. So this is sets the model to the proxy model. This is what I need to do. Ah, got it. Okay. Now this is what I need to do. I knew I was missing something. Basically, I'm not using the proxy model, which is what I should be using. Okay, now I get it. So I am using the model, but I'm not using the properties of the model, which is this properties here to filter it, which is pretty fast. Ah, I knew I wasn't crazy. I mean, I am crazy, but I knew this was not done, because that's the better way to do it, to say it. Yeah, this is what I'm not doing. Okay, let me copy this function so I have a reference here on the side and I know what I need to do. Okay, that's what I need to do. Alright, now I got it. But now, how am I populating this proxy model? This proxy model, it's the quick sort thing. Okay. So whenever I have this, I have a function name. Let's understand this now. Because now that I'm not crazy, now I can. Okay, so I'm case insensitive because we don't want to search with casing. We set the filter to that. Resize the window. Resize list results spot. When are we setting this proxy model? Let's see, where are we calling this search specs function? Just those two places? Really? So if this starts with this thing, I jumped all the way to here. Okay, I'm confused again. Then I go read the help. Show the help. Oh man, I'm confused again. Damn it. This is just the help panel. This is I mean, I would see somebody. I mean, I see people that do what I'm doing right now. I watched Jason Turner last week port Doom to C++ for 10 hours. I mean, I didn't see the 10 hours, but I see it during the day. So, okay, so we have this search thing, which is result view sets the model to the proxy model, but the proxy model, what is the proxy model doing? Okay, so the proxy model has the model as its source. And what is the model doing? Let's see, let's find where's the model used. Oh my god, it's used all over the place. So the model is being populated somewhere with all that stuff, right? It should be populated with all the functions. Yeah, you're right, Alfredo. It's nice to be at home and learn Houdini, use Houdini. Yeah, you're right, man. Okay, you guys have any idea what's happening here? No, right? So the data is already in the results view at this point because the set model the proxy model has the data. I guess let's see what is that thing doing. So we're printing the proxy model there, which is fine. Let's look into this thing. Let's look inside it. Let's see if we can call something that can help us here. Okay, so this is all the functions you find in that model. So let's see what we want. There should be something like a length. I'm looking for a length function, layout, less than, no, size, set filter, sibling, find children, index. Is there a way to see how many objects there is? I can say maybe children and say how many children there are there. Let's see, let's print the children. Let's print the children. Dot children. Had no children, so the objects are not as children. Oh, rows. Number of rows, maybe. Move rows. MN rows. Is there RS? Is there a rows? Row count. There we go. Row count is the one I want. Row count. There we go. There we go. And points, there's 15 says there. It's 4. There's 15 now. That doesn't seem right. Also, why is it why is it printed that? Because I didn't comment that line. Whoa. Primitives 88, 130, and point I think it's kind of working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's kind of working. Okay, so we have stuff there. Oh, this tool is already available, Rodiska. It's already available. We're just making changes for the new version. It's totally available right now. Yes, it is. But I have to say, it's not free. Everybody wants this thing free. So if you go to mixtraining.com/tab2 with 2 T's and 2 O's, it is available. You can buy it today. We're just making changes for the new version. But yeah, this tool is already available. It is. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to figure out how am I actually populating this freaking index, which I think it's on the read help thing. No, read bex file here. Should be adding this to the model here, because I'm reading the file here, and then I'm doing the appending the functions here. and appending the functions here, and then I actually show the results here. Whoa. So here is add to simple model. There we go. That's what I need to be. That's what I'm populating this, I guess. Yeah. And I'm setting the model here again. That's weird. Add to simple model. Q standard item. Q standard item. Let's see. Oh, what? What is happening here? What is happening here? Q standard item. Whoa. Oh, I have never used attribute fade. Nope, I have never used that actually. I don't even know what it does. Attribute fade. I never used them. I never used that before. I mean, it's not because I just haven't used it. Okay, I'll add to simple model. Set model. I'm setting the model here, but now I don't see where's the model being populated here. What the hell, dude? So the model is being clear here. Okay, so I'm appending here. Okay, I'm appending to the model here. But why is it a Q standard item? Shouldn't it be Q standard item is fine? This is a Q standard item model. Okay. Okay, so I'm populating the help here. Okay, this is how I'm doing it. Alright. Alrighty. Okay, I know what's happening here. I'm doing basically this because I call it as a history command. Okay. So now if I go to whatever, I'm doing the search again. This is, I'm gonna put a pin here so I can go back to that. I'm gonna go back to that later. I mean, I'm basically doing that here. Add to model. I'm adding to the model here. But am I using the model? I don't know. Let's find out. Where's the do search again? Do search. Okay, so this is what happens. Add to model. If there is something in this, we resize the list. Okay, so let's see. What am I doing in the other one? Okay. Ah, this is gonna be a bigger change than I was expecting. Resize the list. What kind of issue, Alfredo? ¿Qué problema tuviste ahí? What issue do you have with that version? I'm using 31. No, actually 416. Cause I think that is the is 431 already out? I don't think that's out, is it? I don't know. I haven't seen the daily builds. Oh yeah, it's actually up to 39. So yeah, I'm just using 419 for now because I was testing some plugins that needed that version. So I haven't updated that. But what issue did you have? Okay, so man, I'm a little lost with this. This is a hard issue because this tool is just too big. I think the part that I need to change is this searching, this filtering part. I haven't seen that. I haven't seen that issue. So I need search text, searching. I think I'm gonna have to do a new search function for this. Because I don't want to mess this search function. Okay, let's see. So here I show the results. This is just showing the results view. I'm gonna make an error here just to test what I want to do. Results view, set model. No, wait. Thing is, I need to populate the model first before I search. Okay. I need to populate the model first with all the tools, and then I filter it by the I set the regex filter with that. Okay, yeah. Okay, got it. So I need to populate that first. So let's say populate the model with all the tools, and then after that I filter the search. Okay, let's see. I don't think I'm gonna finish this today, just so you know. And I'm not sure how long I'm gonna stream. I'm just gonna stream until, I don't know, somewhere. I need water. So to do that, I'm gonna do whatever I did for the Vex help. which was here. Add to simple model. So I need a list to send to this simple model. I need to do this basically here. The list, I need a list. Oh, I need to do this before this actually. I need to do this outside actually of this. Over here. I might do a different search function for this. New model filtering. I'm gonna make a huge note here. Let's put a to do here. To do. Move to new function. Oh yes, I knew this was gonna be big. That's why I didn't do this yet. So self tools is this a list? Who shelf tools returns? Can you just tell me what type of thingy this is? What is this returning? Returns a dictionary. Okay, I need a list of that. I don't want to do that. I cancel. I need a list, so I'm just gonna make that a list. Come on! Still pushing that freaking button with my mouse. List. I'm gonna cast this to a list of. Can I do that? No, I cannot. I cannot do that. I cannot do that. I have to get the names of the tools. Oh man, I'm just gonna do this in a separate function because I'm gonna screw this one up. I cut it from here. Gonna call this def new search. Do search version 2. Do search filtering. Do search model. Oh, it's gonna be confusing. Filtering takes no arguments. Just do stuff. Okay, not gonna do that. Okay, I'm going to say for tool in shelf in self.tools print tool.name, right? So now I need to break this tool. Do search. Where are you being called? Whoa, wait a minute. I don't. What What the hell? What the hell? This is... Whoa. What the hell is this? Just want the methods. That is weird. Do search. Okay, so whenever the text change, is calling this do search, which I'm gonna break now. I'm gonna just copy this line and I'm gonna make it call my own function, my new function, and it's gonna say I don't do anything. Yay, it doesn't do anything, right? Okay, doesn't do anything, which is fine. It's working. So what I always do is just, I already moved it to a function, print filtering. Oh wait, it should I print this? Let's just hide all this stuff and say something. String have new attribute name. Oh, it's already a name. L. Okay, so it's printing all the tools here. Right. Okay. So that is good. Let me print what type of, because this, I'm not sure why this is a dictionary. Why is this a dictionary? Who knows? Who knows why I did a dictionary there? So I'm not gonna even see it because it's above the big list of stuff. So let's put this below. People might not even be watching this right now, but it's fine. You know, this might be. It is a dictionary. Why is it a dictionary? Don't know. So then I don't have to do that. I just have to do this. Let's just do all this, which is supposed to work, and pass the list here, right? Is it? Tell me. Yes, it needs a list, which is gonna be it's gonna be list self.tools converted to a list. I pass that to a list, and then I have an action, an alias, and a little squiggly thingy here, because it's gone. Okay. So now this should show the list. Whoa, and it's really slow. That was so slow. What? Something's happening. I mean, it's working now, but it's super slow. Poo. Super slow. This is not what I was expecting. And it's not filtering. Might be doing something wrong. So I do this, then I set that to the model. Huh. Okay, I know what's happening. I know what's happening. Every time I'm mode alias. Oh, I need to search this as history. I think. Add simple model. No, it is searching it as alias here. Because when you do aliasing. Hey Christian. Do you mean right now or do you mean in at work? I've been doing really cool stuff. Yeah. I can't talk about it. But yeah. So this is being used here, right? It's appending to the model. I'm a little confused right now. I'm a little confused. Yeah, I've been playing a few games. I've been playing God of War because I recently got a PlayStation 4. I've been just holding forever to buy a PlayStation 4. I just recently bought it, like not even a month ago, and I already had Gears of War now. God of War. I've been playing that one, and I've been playing a lot of Overcooked 2 with my daughter. We play a lot of that. So yeah, been playing those games. At the simple model, where's the proxy model being used? Where is the proxy model being used? Proxy model. So that's equal to the model. Even the alias is using that, and I'm not even using that for. Even the alias is using it. Oh my god. Why am I not using it on the other part? Okay, let's go back to my function. I can't argue with my daughter. She would hit me. So yeah, I don't. Overcooked's pretty fun. My daughter, it's pretty hardcore. She always wants to have like 3 stars on everything, and there's some levels there. We already finished the whole base game. We actually finished that all pretty quickly. All 3 stars on everything, and then we had to buy the another thing that had like 3 more expansion packs, I guess, because we were done, and we're playing those ones. But those ones are pretty hard, and when you finish it, it just gets super hard. I don't. I'm not sure if you finished it, but I'm not gonna tell you. But it gets super incredibly hard when you finished it. That freaking game. It's nuts. It's nuts. Where I leave my freaking function? I need to put a pin on it. All right, so I don't want to do this all the time. That's it. I don't want to do this all the time. I want to do this when we start. When we launch Tabttoo, we want to do this. And then when we search, we just want to use the proxy model. Oh, that's how it should be. Okay, so let's make a function that we call populate model. Tools model. Are you happy, Python? I'm not. I'm gonna put it like tools model. I'm gonna call it whatever. Tools model, dude. That's what I want to call it. Stop. So this is, I want to do that when we start want to do this. Add to the model all the tools. I don't want to do this. Pretty sure I don't want to do any of that. Yes, I just want to populate the model with the tools. Populating tools. So I want to do this, and when I search, I want to do this thing here. I'm going to copy it directly from the bex function. I'm going to do this part here. This is going to be called something different, which is not even being, oh, here it's been used here. I'm going to call this tool name. And I'm gonna just put it here. That's what I want to do. Okay, got it. But now I need to call this populate function first, this tools model at the beginning, because right now it's just not doing anything. So let's see where I'm populating self tools. I'm gonna do that just after that. So I'm using this and populate tools model here. Call self that thingy model. Okay, so now that should be good. Why are you not happy? Okay. Whoa, what the hell? That was bad. Loving the simulation, the RVD. Okay, yeah, simulation's pretty cool stuff, man. Okay, I mean, filtering's pretty good. Okay, so now it's working. But why is it just showing one tool? Should filter show more than one result, because there's more than one. But when you launch the tool, it's super slow. So it's super slow to launch. Oh man, that sucks. Super slow to launch. And I guess already broke it. Yeah. I'm glad I didn't screw up this function, because this one works. I'm not gonna mess that up. So this I'm doing it in alias mode here. There's a tool and there's an action item. This function is super freaking slow. Append false. Am I appending to this? Am I appending? I might be appending and then I'm just adding tools on top of each other. No, I'm not even. Oh wait, I'm in history mode. Do I need to be in history mode? Let's see. What is Bex doing? Bex is doing in alias mode. Okay, it should be in alias mode. Alias. This is in history mode. Weird. I don't remember why I created those modes. Really. I can see the code, but whatever. Help. That's fine. Let's see how that loads up. Super slow. Super slow to load. That is bad. Bad. And there's also no yeah, I don't think this is gonna be. I mean, search is super fast. Why is there just 4 things here? I think I'm doing something wrong. I'm searching the history, I guess. I think I'm here searching the history panel. Cause I never showed the results list. I need to hide the other one. Where's the Bex thing again? So I need to do this part here. So I never did that in my other function. Here I need to do that first. Show the results view. I mean, set the model again, I guess. No, I don't want to do this. Maybe I just want to show show the results, and that should do it, right? Should hide the history panel. No, it's still there. Let's just hide the history panel so we can. Okay, there it is. Poly. Okay, no, this is not fast. This is not fast at all. It's super horrible. Okay, this is not going to work. No, this is. No, this is not fast. Nope. It's super slow. Crap. My dog's barking. Okay. I think this is gonna have to be done in another way. I some other ideas for this. I mean, first it loads super slow, and then searching is just super slow as well. So I'm not gonna do this. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, so if I don't do that, yeah, this loads super quick. That's what I want. I don't want to do this. Do search filter, and I'm gonna undo this. Do the previous search. Okay, this is fast. I mean, it's not super fast. Oh, there's another bug that I always forget. Not good idea. Try faster method. Well, ideas don't always turn out great, so keep last results. Well, this is a bug that I've been trying to help since the beginning, but at least now it's the other part's fixed. You can see this is instant. Like there it is. I mean, why? I'm not sure why it takes like a second sometimes. So yeah. $50. Now I need to get the speed from somewhere else, really. That is not going to work. Just want to get that fast thing. Yeah, you can see it's slugging a little bit. Man, makes me mad. But I'll keep searching. Okay, let's fix some of these issues that I have here in my list. Copy to point should be a good one to do. Copy to point. Copy to points. Do I have a copy to points thingy? Okay, because the copy to points tool is doing something different than what I have. You can see here. Actually, this is something I really like. Like you can have a grid and something you're gonna copy to a grid, right? Like a sphere. And you can connect these two things really quickly. You can just select both and say copy to points, and bam, connects the two. Ta-da! I love that tool, and also works with any tool that has multiple connections. Like if you want to do a Boolean union, connects the two. That's pretty good, right? I like that. I like that a lot. I use this a lot, like just selecting both nodes and copy to points. And not cluster points. Copy to points. Oh, I'm on caps. Copy to points. So yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, but the copy to points, you can see there's some stuff missing here. The default copy to points node, which you can see it's way harder to find, has these things now, which I'm gonna have to make that a special case. Thanks, side effects. Thank you. I have a tool shelf for development. I should have a tool shelf for development. Where is it? Where's my tool shelf? Tabttoo dev, here it is. So what I do is I add the tool here. Let's edit the shelf tab. I find the tool, which is gonna be called copy to points. I find that. Copy to points sub. I add it, and let's see what's happening here. So you can see it's creating a copy to points. Oh, what? Should be fine. I mean, not sure why this is failing. Node. Is anyone awake? Any people awake out there? Let's see. Still streaming? Yes, we're still streaming. Am I not muted? No, I'm not muted. Okay. YouTube saying that I'm streaming at a higher quality than it once. Okay. Node dot create node. Create node. What is the name of this node? Copy to points. Copy to points. So creates that node. Yeah, so that's my issue. So it wants to be called with this thingy. Why side effects? Why? Why Pluto? Anyone awake? No? Okay, it's fine. You guys can go ahead and leave me alone here. I'm so sad right now. I'm gonna fix this issue the way I fix these issues with a special case, which I don't like. Where are my special notes? Is it here? Yeah, I'm gonna add it here. So these notes just call copy the points. So just gonna add it here. Copy the points. Okay. This is the when node is selected. Okay, so this is when the node is selected. Gonna have to, damn it, I'm gonna have to go into the code, dude. It's in the sub. Gonna put a pin here. Sub tools, subtool utils. Copy to points. No, it's not here. Generic tools, where are you? Subtool utils, generic tool. That's not gonna work. Works is not. It's not generic tool. Wait, let's see. If this is this creating the actual thingy? No, this is the old one. So I'm actually wrong. It should be added here. Actually, let's move this from the shelf. That was the wrong one. Totally the wrong one. Copy the points too. This is the one. That is the actual tool. There we go. This is what I need to do. Okay. I just need to do this whenever. No, wait, no. Ugh. Let's see. Should I? Whew, I don't want to do this. It didn't do it. Okay. Doesn't. Even if you do this, doesn't create the other attributes. Why? Reset get attributes. Oh, it's pressing this button. Oh, let's do that. I can do that. I can actually, oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do any special case. I'm just gonna, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. Created node, created node, created node here. So it creates, gonna create the node here. Wait, I'm executing the tool script here. Why is that not working? Oh, this is on the viewport. Okay. Alright, that's on the viewport. If not selected, I do this stuff. New node is called generic tools. Like that. And then just gonna put another try here. Actually, I'm gonna do it like this for now. For this new node, I'm gonna press that button. Let's see if it works. Then I'm just gonna put a reset thingy there. Oh, it didn't work. Huh. Wait, was this when the tool was selected or not? Let's see. Nope. Nope. Damn. Damn you! Did it work? Because didn't work because not getting anything here. Debug. Let's just turn on the debug false and see just what we have. Copy the points. Seems like that is not even triggering. Okay, why is this not even triggering? Oh wait, this is in object mode. Okay. Let's just remove these guys from here. X. This is in object mode. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, here is the sub mode. Okay, so we Create node, blend. And this script is weird. Created node. I can actually do it anywhere here. So I'm doing something like this here. If there is some stuff, if shift is pressed, I could do it right here actually. Let's try here. It's gonna be created node here, and it's gonna be this node here. Alright, so now it should do something. There we go. That's the created node, and it works. Yes! Okay, so that works. I just need to do the same whenever the node is not selected. But I also want to not do this all the time, because if I create another node like a poly bevel, it's gonna fail. Oh, doesn't fail. Silently fails, I guess. No, wait. This is triggering whenever didn't do the right thing. It failed. So I'm gonna put this in a try except thingy. Try except just pass. Let's put a note here. Action for new copy 2 points node. Alright, I think that should be fixed for that. And if I do this poly bevel again, it should work. It moves it to the right place. Now need to do this thing whenever you are selecting the node, which should be here. Created node. Where should I be doing this? Oh damn, where should I be doing this? I think the selected node is before this. When not node selected, so should be when no node is selected over here. Okay, new node is there, new node is there. Wait, it should be here. Alright. If the content is subject, the content is Bob, the content is Bob, is driver, pop, shop, top, tap, lob. If content is thingy, if the content is thingy. Here it is. Here's where I need to do this. That should be it, and copy the points. Works. Yes. Copy the points and works. Awesome. Alright, that is fixed. I also need to put this in a try except thingy, because if not it's gonna fail. Except pass. So this is just saying if try to do this, if not just ignore me. I use this a lot. I wish there was a better way to do this, but I don't know. If you know, let me know. But it's fine. I like it. It works. Fakes for new copy to points node. There we go. Alright, that works. We can check it off our list. Done. That is done. What else can we do? Duplicate lob is missing in lobs for some reason. Duplicate. Let's go to stage, and there's no duplicate node, which should be. So let's see what the duplicate node is. Let me remove this tool from the shelf now. Duplicate. I think I'm gonna find. Ah, there it is. Look, it's called duplicate. Should be working fine. Why is it not working? Edit tool. Yeah, it's just duplicate. That's odd. Might be filtering that of the how is that thing called, of the file. Pen tools. Prep name for help. No. Think. Here it is. Okay, this is where I'm removing some deprecated stuff. But I could not do that and see if that duplicate comes back. Nope. It's not there. Let's see, what if I don't do this? Don't put the deprecated things. Oh, there it is. So it is being deprecated for some reason. I'm not sure why. Why is that being deprecated? Why? Let's look at the full Houdini file. Houdini op. This is the op customize. Open with Sublime. Should remove builder really. I'm not sure why I have builders installed. I don't know why I just opened it. Duplicate. So I think it's thinking that this is a deprecated tool, which it is in subs but not in lobs. Okay, let me see if I can exclude this guy, because I've been excluding some stuff here, but how can I? Oh, whoa, whoa, again, pressing enter. Man, come on. So I want to see what this thing is. Print depth tool. Deprecated. Deprecated. Okay, so let's see if we can see a list of the deprecated tools. There we go. So there's a bunch of deprecated stuff here. Let's see if there is the form. Duplicate. I don't see duplicate. Did you see duplicated? Did you see duplicate in this list? Ah, there it is. Duplicate. Duplicate is there, but why is this tool not showing? What do I do? I can not deprecate duplicate, but it's gonna be, there's a null node that's gonna be that's gonna appear on subs, this copy X form thingy. Does it exist? Dupli, no. Copy. Yeah, I can just say don't deprecate that tool. So I can just actually say here if dep tool equals duplicate, I just say continue, which basically just skips this. And now it should have a duplicate node here. There is, look at that. There's a duplicate node, yay! Which shouldn't be used anymore. And here we should have the duplicate node again. There we go. So what the hell do I do? What the hell do I do? This tool is called duplicate. But okay, let me see, where am I checking this list, right? Because I'm checking the name. Should be checking. No, it's fine with the name, but should have deprecated stuff by. Let's see, let's make a fix here. Deprecate. If tool is not in deprecated stuff, we are in Bob's, we show it. Wait, that's the only place we're checking? How come it's just can add an exception here, or I should have a list of tools that you shouldn't hide, or what am I here? In the search, okay. Or tool name equals lob duplicate. Sorry, don't duplicate that. Okay, let's see. Do we have a duplicate here? No. Let's go to stage. Duplicate, it's not there. So what's the name of the tool? I think tool name is not the actual thing I wanna for toolcat, which is bad name, but duplicate should be here now. There we go, duplicate, yeah. So here, duplicate, no, okay, that's fixed. Alrighty, let's do that thing. Bam, another one bites dust. I'm gonna make this what be like something happened there. I don't know. Is there something else I can put here instead of that thingy? All right. Okay, guys. So there's nobody here. Who am I talking to? I'm just talking to myself. Somebody complained about. Let's go to the Discord. Somebody complained about some stuff. Let's see, what is it? Somebody complained about that some things. Doesn't see the layer node in image cup network. Okay, layer node in cups. Let's just do that. Layer node. There's another one here by my friend. Wait, where is it? Complaining about another node that I fixed. Where is it? Over here? Oh, here it is. At the bend node. Let's see. The bend node should work. Bend. It works. Bend. It works. The bend node works. Whoa, what was that? Whoa! What is it doing? That's odd. Get out of there. Whoa, what the hell was that? The bend node is doing something weird. But it should be working. Works. But if you do something, no, it is working. Seems like it's working. I don't know what I did in the other one, but it's working. It works. The bend node works. Okay, so that is not complaining anymore, because I already fixed that. Okay, some of these reports I can remove them because they already been fixed. This one has been fixed as well. Here, let's see how much pins I have here. Layer node. Bias not creating Bob. Okay, let's look at that. Copy. The layer node in cops. Let's go to cops. Layer. There's no layer. Layer. There's the layer. Should be again deprecated, I guess. Let's see in the list of deprecation. The deprecation list. Let's see if we find the layer. Layer. There it is. It is on the deprecated list as well. So we can fix it the same way we did this. Which is horrible. It's a horrible thing to do. We can make a list, so we can put these tools there. Have all these tools for things. So let's say, let's call this not deprecated list. So I'm gonna put here the layer, which the name is actually just layer, which is weird because this thing is deprecating layer for some reason on subs. So how am I even gonna do this? That's my life. Let's just leave it for there for now, because this is just called layer, which means nothing. Why is it not called cop layer? I don't know. And the other one is the lob duplicate, right? What is it? Lob. Just gonna make it here. Lob duplicate. So now I'm gonna say, oh wait, it is complaining about me not being a good citizen there. have a space there, dude. Okay, hey there. Here you go. 2 spaces. No, wait. Just 1 space. Damn it. Here, space. Save. Go to the next thing. I don't want to do that. This is good. This is no. I want to leave that because I need to. I don't want to do this. Here. Or toolcat in not deprecated. This should work. See layer. No. Let's go to stage and duplicate. I mean, this works. Why is it not working on here? Layer. Damn. Let's add the layer thingy here. Layer. Cups to layer. It is called cups to layer. Why is it not? Doesn't say here cups to layer. That's weird. So that's good then. Because I can say. Because now I should have a layer in subs, right? Let's go to subs and see if we have a layer node. Layer. There's a bunch of layer things. Height layer. Thingies layers. Cop to layer. No, not there. Cop to layer. Let's see if it works now. Layer. There we go. We have layer. Okay. So layer works. Here. Duplicate works. Awesome. We fixed another bug. Layer node works. Bias does not work in Bobs. Okay, so let's go to Bob's land now. Let's create a Bob network. It should be a bias node like that. Wish it's there, but it doesn't create it. Okay. Let's see why the hell is doing that. Bob bias apply. Remove. That's the one. Edit tool. It's just called bias. That's bad. Bad naming. It's just, oh, it's called Bob bias. Bob bias. But why is it not creating it? Let's go to debug true. I think I'm gonna, after this node, I'm gonna just stop because I've been streaming for almost 3 hours now and nobody cares really. So this thing is cool. We have RLS bias, Bob bias, and why is it not being created? Oh, it's thinking that it's the renderman bias. But is it? Bias. That's odd. Yeah, damn it. We shouldn't really create any RLS. We shouldn't really create any RLS nodes. Really, yeah, RLS should be banned. That should be added to the duplicate, to the deprecated nodes. Actually, let's do that. So those are all deprecated. Tool hideable. Is tool hideable just one thing? Can just say or toolcat starts with RSL. Random and shading language is deprecated, so that shouldn't really be loaded. RSL. Okay, there is a few RSL things still. Why? If or not, no. Let's think about this. Tool hideable equals for each, so I'm hiding for each, right? Let's see this. I should flip my camera to see at the code, right? Nobody cares. Nobody's here. Webcam cancel. Webcam transform. Flip horizontal. There you go. So now I'm kind of looking at the code whenever I'm looking at the code, but the code is on the outside on the screen. So, and I'm actually looking at the code. So yeah. Hey, thank you, Christian. So I need. Glad I'm working with you. I need to hide. Wait, let's print. What is toolcat here? Cause I might be. Wait, let's print this because I think I have the right idea. So tool name is this. I think it's gonna be longer name, I guess. RSL. This is gonna be all the tools. Which is gonna be hard to find. No, there you go. It's Bob RSL. Okay, so if it starts with Bob RSL, I should remove it. So let's say, or actually we should break this. this row as Python suggests because it's getting too long. So Python is saying here, oh, it is flip. It's not saying now. Why are you not complaining now? Let's do it anyway. This should work. And or toolcat starts with Bob RSL. Okay, so that should exclude all the RSL tools. RSL. Nope. Doesn't work. But whoa, scared me, dude. Did I type correctly that? Yeah, toolcat. Wait. Or not? No. No. Actually, I think I am showing the tool. Tool hideable. Okay, let's see. What am I? This is what? Just a tool hideable. Let's just make a custom deprecated tool. It's gonna be equal to a list, which I'm gonna be putting if toolcat starts with, I'm gonna put this thing there. Starts with that, print that thing. Just to see, or toolcat in custom deprecated tool. Okay, so there's nothing on those tools yet, but we should get all the RSL tools here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we should pass those, add those, append those to this thing, these custom deprecated tools. Append toolcat. Now this should working, and it's not. Wait, why is it not working? Oh, I know why, because oh my god, I should do this over here. X if tool not enough hide and tool hideable not in deprecated, tool height 9 deprecated or okay, so that should do. And tool in these things too. RSL. There we no, come on. Wait, is this working? Let's see if this is working. Print custom deprecated tools. No, it's just one. RSL. Seems like only one it's been added. What the hell? Why is it only adding one? Says here there's at least 9. And says here it's just 1. That's bad. Why is it not adding? Oh, oh man, I should make this tool outside up here. Damn it. This the variable should be outside of there. Now this should be there should be a lot of things here. What I should also do is make this a set actually. So that way I don't duplicate tools in that. Instead of a pen, I need to do add, yes. So now that works, and so that wasn't being populated, but RSL is still there. Damn it. Still fucking there. Ray info, let's see. Ray info. There it is. It's still there. Why? Why? What am I doing here wrong? And I'm just guessing here, really. Can't do that. If tool not enough height and tool cut in and RSL. Damn it. Not why? Let's check this. Over here, let's just not print this. Let's see. If toolcat in this thing, print the tool. Bias. Okay. Deprecate me. It's gonna be called this thingy. Oh wait, that wasn't what I wanted to do. Over here. RSL. Why is it printing both things? Oh, it's printing from here. So let's say, let's understand this. If tool is hideable, tool hideable, not enough hide, meaning that if the tool is not in the hideable thing is, wait, should just add to up hide, which is a list, instead of this. Up hide that append to cat. And that should hide it. RSL. Nope, it's still there. Damn. If tool is not enough hide, what? Allow it? Or tool hideable? Or not in up deprecate? Still shows the damn notes. Could make another thing here. If toolcat in custom deprecated tools continue. Let's see, RSL. No, it's still freaking there. Else do this. RSL. What the? I don't understand why that thing doesn't go away. RSL. It's still there. Damn you. Oh, now it's the OSL version. step. OSL step. Okay. Oh, this is bigger than life. Wait, can we do OSL stuff here? We shouldn't. We should just do it on. Let's just do it on RSL. On RenderMan. Bobs, right? Not on any Bob. But I'm still seeing RSL nodes here. RSL material. Oh, it's called res. Anything that is called res should also go away. Alright, this is working then. I can do stars with a tuple or what? What is this? Starts with token. Starts with tuple. Okay, so let's just say tuple of stuff here. Bob res. So it was working, but it's showing other RSL nodes that are named differently. Python tuple. Let me remember how to make a freaking tuple. Okay, there we go. It's fine. But there is an unexpected argument. Why? Like this. That should be a good tuple. RSL. Okay, there's nothing called RSL, but there's a freaking error. Tuple, too many blank lines. What are you? Let's make this a list. Convert it to a tuple. Like that. That should work, right? Like that. Too many blank lines. There we go. Okay. RSL. Okay, there's a few RSL things still here. This is called Bobnet RSL. Man, this naming conventions, dude. Just what are they doing? Bobnet RSL. It's like what? It really did? RSL. There we go. Woo! It's gone. RSL is gone. So now let's try to see the bias thing, which is gonna be wrong. Okay. So we're only gonna allow that. We're only gonna allow that in the Pixar Bob, which I already have something for that. OSL. Which doesn't really work. Because it shouldn't work, really. But now I bias this thing, it's failing because it's called OSL. If it starts with, wait, so I shouldn't allow pop OSL, I guess, in this as well. Now that's bias it's creating now. Why is there no OSL? But my question is now, would it work here? But seems like no. Should be inside a Pixar material builder. How is that thing called? Builder. There's no such thing. Come on. Material. How is that thing called in Pixar shift thingy? Let's oh, RenderMan is not loaded. Maybe that's the reason. Let's see. Let's go and load RenderMan, I guess. I think this is the last thing I'm gonna do, because I'm tired now. So I'm not gonna load Arnold, and I'm gonna load RenderMan. I'm gonna have to restart Houdini. Alright. This is the last thing I'm gonna do. Bias works now, but just wanna fix the so bias works. Thank God that works. Just wanna say, there we go, Pixar Material Builder, now it's available. And can I create OSL things here? Yes. Can I create a bias node here? No. Can I create RSL nodes? No. Is there a bias node in RenderMan? There's not. Okay. Great. It was an old node. Okay, seems like it's working then. Wait. Thing is black. Works. There's a pyro node somehow. Pyro. right? No. What's that called? Black body. Okay. Seems like it's working. And Bob. No. Geo. Bob. Tribute Bob. Bias. Works. Okay. So that's working. And that's gonna be it for today, I guess. Yeah, these other things are a little bit bigger. Geometry and lopside, still don't know how it's gonna be done. Keep last results, that it's something that I want to fix, but I'm tired. I have to put that for another day. Alright guys, this is done for today. I'm done. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna drink some water. Do stuff, I guess. Alright, thank you if you watch this. If you stay with me, if you're working, keep working. And alright, stay safe guys. Bye.